Go.
Hey guys, this is Tyler from White Lining Airsoft, here doing a loadout review. This is my desert digital camo loadout. To start off, I have just Desert Tech goggles in ACU. They're tinted, so don't wear them at night. I definitely won't wear them at night. After, I have a wire mesh lower jaw mask in black. It's very good for ventilation if you're going to wear a full mask or that. Then I have a 1-point sling to my KWA SR10 in the other videos. It does buckle on and off for easy detachment. I have a ACOG sight 1x32 zoom with red and green dot onto it. It has 4 whatever it is sight adjustments. Then on the top it has these, I don't know if you can see them, these iron sights in case the battery runs out, which I've never had the battery run out yet. Then I wear a tan schmog around my neck. Just kind of keeps me cool. Yeah. Then I have a Condor, I don't know, tan vest with 3 open top magazine holders with my magazines in them, 350 round high caps. I'm not really a big mid cap fan. Then I have my grenade shell pouch with my grenade launcher shell. Holds 75 rounds in it. My American flag patch. And then this is just a map holder thing. Don't hold anything in that. After over here, you can't really see it. Underneath my backpack, I have a dump mag pouch. Then I have a green backpack. I don't know what type of backpack it is. It's just just an old backpack. In the top, right here in this pouch, I have my grenade launcher because it's very heavy and I do not want to carry it on my gun. Then after that, on the side over here, I have my other battery in case I run out during a game. Just a regular 1600 nunchuck. Then in my big pouch, actually I'll just go to the small one. I have my two MP7 40 round magazines. Then, probably guessing what's in this is my MP7 gas blowback with a green laser on it. I don't know if you can see that on the wall right there. It's pretty bright. Yeah, just a normal flip sight and adjustable stock. It only has 1 point. Then I carry propane. I use green gas sometimes. Propane just carries a lot more, but it smells bad. Then after the backpack, you could probably see my dump mag pouch now. And then under that, I just have nothing. Don't wear those stupid vest things. I wear just digital shirt underneath. And then I have my digital pants with my military boots. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to White Lining Airsoft.